Welcome to Fitek's Invoice Register Guide. This guide shows you how to search invoices and save frequently used search settings as filter templates. This saves time by applying your preferred search criteria with just one click. In the Invoice Register, you can search invoices based on your preferred filters: invoice statuses, users, invoice types, or use the free text field to search by supplier name. You can even go more into detail and filter invoices by cost centers and accounts. Lastly, you can filter by invoice-specific data such as invoice date, accounting date, or export date. The default time range is set to the last 90 days, but you can adjust it as needed. Creating a filter template is super easy. Select your preferred filters, press Apply, and then Save as Filter Template. Be sure to give a name to the template as well. You can apply and manage your filters from the Saved Filters tab. Create templates for common searches and use the default option for your main workflow. This makes invoice management faster and more efficient. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.